All right, welcome to week 1 of Intro to Lindy Hop, 6 weeks. So exciting, my favorite dance ever. We're gonna start with just a couple exercises. This isn't actually found in social partner dance on the dance floor, but it is an exercise to get us comfortable with 8-count footwork, our rock steps, our triple steps, and kind of just getting in front of our partner for a circle effect. So we're going to just start by rock stepping on our outside legs. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and I'll do it with words as well. Rock, step, triple step, a rock, step, triple step. We can turn to the side. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come back, face the camera. So we're going to do a quick exercise where I'm going to step in front of Julie and then come back to her, all within 8 counts. I'm going to go 1, 2, and from this point, with my left foot, I'm going to step in front of Julie on 3 and 4, and then I'm going to rock step on 5, 6, and then with my right foot, I'm going to take it back to the side, 7, 8, so that my weight should be on my right foot when I land, so that I can go back on 1 with my left. Okay, we'll do that a little faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. So now Julie's gonna go. Okay, and I'm gonna kind of pull her with my left hand, kind of push with my right. Basic. Again, it's a gentle suggestion. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now we're gonna put them together. So the lead goes and the follow goes. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom. All right, we introduced the Lindy circle as well, which we'll work on next week. We'll do it kind of slow motion. And what we need to really emphasize is this connection. Remember that we're sitting kind of into the hand, so you have this solid connection with your partner when you get around in that 360 circle for the whoosh effect. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. And that is your tutorial for week 1 of Intro to Lindy Hop.